So I still have to finish the outside of the garage. There's stuff going on. I got to redo the inside of the garage, but I'm one of those people. I got to know what I'm doing and have it in the back of my head. I need time to think about it, let it fester, you know, come up with a plan of what I'm going to do. So I want to investigate this deck a little bit. I already showed in another video all the rotten, you know, all the rotten framing underneath. But look at this. This is something else I noticed, and I didn't say anything about it. Look at that post. See something wrong with that post? Man, it looks like it goes into the ground, goes into the dirt. Let's go down and see. I'll go down and show you down there. So before I go under there, I just want to show you the situation here. Sheesh. So I've already talked about the biggest problem with this deck is they built that deck house and put a roof with no gutters. And I know people will argue with me that you don't need gutters. Well, sure, you don't need a deck hanging off a cliff either. That could turn into a sled and go down there without gutters. Every bit of water that hits that roof has to go somewhere, and it's crashing down and it's rotting away all the framing. Is that what you want? You want all your framing rotted away? I mean, yes, you need gutters. I'm sorry. You get in your feelings, you get upset because I talk about no gutters. Well, yes, something like this, you need gutters. So let's go up there. I gotta see which one I want to dig. I don't know. I'll leave that one alone for now. Maybe I'll go up to one of these. They look like they go in dirt too. No footer, no nothing. Let's find out. Remember, depending on who you talk to, you don't need gutters. You don't need framing under your deck. You don't need gutters to redirect the water, you know what I mean? That's fine. Rotten framing, look at it, it's broken, separated. I mean, I showed this before, but just in case you didn't see it, look at that. It's sagging. See if you can see it sagging. I can clearly see it. You know, that support coming across, and these are tied into it, that's all sagging, that's broken, rotten. Well, you can see it's black. And then you look under the deck house, they look brand new. That's because there's a roof over it. But no gutters, it's all crashing down. So I'm right here by this post here. So I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna dig here and see what we got. I gotta dig through all the green too. I just wanna see them. I'm hoping they have a concrete footer there, but why is it not showing? It's supposed to be showing. There shouldn't be any wood in the dirt at all. Let's find out. Oh man, so I started to dig. Right now I'm at 12.5 inches and no. So apparently they stuck these posts right in the dirt. Oh man. Oh man. So I gotta find out about this. I don't know, man. I mean, I've worked for companies all my life. They always got the permits, but when I went out on my own in 2010, I built a couple deck roofs. I built a deck, you know, with permits in Philadelphia. And one of the biggest red flags in Philadelphia, building a deck, you gotta have hurricane ties here. Tie these two together. And apparently they got a couple nails, no hurricane ties. So this would have failed in Philadelphia. I'm not sure about here where I'm at. I'm gonna find out though. I'm probably gonna have to ask the building inspector to come over here before I even apply for the permit to do this, to look at it. I gotta see if this is even worth it for my customer, what we're gonna do here. Because there's been people that said you should probably just take it down and be done with it, no deck. Because what I was told, there was 13 people involved with building this deck. and the building inspector wasn't one of them. So that can't be good. They just stuck these straight in dirt. So what happens when you get 20, 30 people up on this deck? You're having a party, everybody's jumping and dancing. What happens? Oh man. This seems to me like this deck was built for one reason, just to sell the house. They didn't care about the safety of the new owners. They didn't care about anything. Just, let's just sell the house. Apparently that's where we are in the world. Everything's about money. Me, me, me. I'm more special than you. I need more money than you. Give me all the money. For what? What are you going to do with all that money? The last time I looked around, everything being sold is garbage. So you want the most amount of money so you can buy the most amount of garbage? I mean, man, this is... I'm sorry I'm going off on a rant. I'm just... Looks like there was a stoop up there. Concrete stoop, and they just, instead of removing it, they just built the deck. Look at that, man. Sheesh. Look at those supports going into the side of the concrete. They're crooked. Looks like they got one bolt. Oh man. Trying to hold still. Look at that. Sheesh. Looks like I got my work cut out for me with this deck too. Man. Remember what some people say, you don't need gutters. Nah, you don't need gutters. You don't need framing either. You don't need supports for your deck. You don't need none of that. Ah, yeah, look at this. Fun times. Look at this horribly built deck, man. Looks like they had some scraps laying around. They just used them for supports. Man, terrible. I mean, I'm not saying I'm perfect, and I always did things perfectly, but man, this is terrible. Except where the deck house is. Looks good. And remember, this house had a home inspection, you know what I mean, before she bought the house. He said everything was good. How's it look? I mean, it was bought in 2020. I'm pretty sure this didn't happen in 4 years. Look at that. That support there is getting ready to go. It cracked there, it dropped. You can see it. You can kind of see it. Hopefully you can see it in the video. I mean, I see it right now looking through the phone. So I guess all these posts are just in dirt. Man. But yeah, you don't need gutters. You don't need a dry basement either. This is all the pieces of the rafter. Nice. I don't know. What is this? Found a fish comb. Look at this. Some kind of comb. Fishy. Oh man. They got their cable wire under here. They made sure they did that. Got to be able to watch TV on a deck that may wind up all the way down that hill. Yeah, so every one of these rafters here needs a hurricane tie. On this side. Over there they got joist hangers. But yeah, this here, you know, if you're going to try to build something like this yourself, put those hurricane ties in, they help. And you got to use nails, no screws. I use screws because the owner wanted me to use screws, and the inspector made me take them out and put nails in. And so that post over there is cracked too. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. See the big crack? I mean, I did talk to my customer, and we were planning, I was gonna remove the deck boards and be able to replace this framing, but now I think I'm gonna try to save her a couple of dollars and try to cut them off down here and I'll just replace them one at a time. You don't need gutters. Is what they say. This is all rotten here. Man. I'm going to try to save money that way, but I got to figure out what I'm going to do with these posts. Because I either got to shore this up somehow, remove the post, dig the footer, pour the concrete, set the post, remove the temporary post, or I got to change this. You know, leave this all in, being that it's holding it up right now at the moment. Leave them in and put them in different areas. I don't know, man. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, but at least now with this video, I can go home and think about it. But I got it blocked off up there. I don't want anybody walking on the deck. Let's see what that is. Get that in there, so in case I gotta try to match them. It's a lovely deck, huh? Lovely.